So I don't think I've started Gertie in like 6 weeks, so we're gonna do a full check here. I'm assuming she's gonna need hydraulic oil, but maybe not. Who knows? She is just above the, I don't know if you can see, just above the low spot. You can kind of see, there, maybe I can do it like this. You can see like a bubble and then a flat part. So, yeah. I don't know what's jumping up and down. Anyways, so yeah, so that's that. That seems okay. Oddly enough, we're gonna check the diesel now.